Hey everyone, I'm Rick, and welcome back to the channel. If you're dreaming of a drone that captures cinema quality footage with incredible detail, offers long flights for endless exploration, and packs advanced tech for safe and smart flying, then hold on tight because today we're reviewing the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This flagship drone features a tri-camera system with a Hasselblad main camera for 5.1K video and 48 megapixel photos. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing for worry-free navigation, up to 46 minutes of flight time, 20-kilometer transmission range, ActiveTrack 5.0 for intelligent subject following, and a foldable design that's portable yet powerful. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a drone that's perfect for professional photography, videography, or mapping with stunning 4K and beyond footage, this is the one that'll elevate your creativity. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This drone has a sleek, foldable design weighing about 720 grams, making it easy to carry in a backpack while still being robust for outdoor use. The tri-camera setup includes a Hasselblad main camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor for 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and 48 megapixel stills, a 70mm medium telephoto camera for compressed perspectives and portraits, and a 166mm telephoto camera for 7 times optical zoom to capture distant subjects without losing quality. Video supports 10-bit D-Log M and HLG for professional color grading, with Apple ProRes for high-end editing. Flight time is up to 46 minutes per battery, with the Fly More combo including 3 batteries and a charging hub for extended sessions. Transmission is 0.4 for a 20-kilometer range with 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second, ensuring low latency. Safety is elite with omnidirectional obstacle sensing using 6 vision sensors and APAS 5.0 for automatic avoidance and smoother paths. Smart modes like ActiveTrack 5.0 follow subjects with precision. MasterShots create automated cinematic videos, and waypoint flights allow pre-planned routes for complex shots. The DJI Fly app offers intuitive controls, live editing with templates, and quick shares. It's wind-resistant up to level 6, and setup is simple. Unfold, pair with the RC Pro remote or app, calibrate, and launch. Priced around $1,500 for the combo kit, it's premium with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are sky high. Breathtaking Hasselblad 4K and 5.1K video with zoom versatility that looks cinematic. Advanced omnidirectional sensing for confident, safe flying in complex environments. Long 46-minute battery for more airtime. Stable 20-kilometer transmission for expansive control. Smart modes like ActiveTrack for effortless following shots. And a portable design that's easy to take anywhere. Users rave about the photo and video quality for professional work, the safety for urban flying, and the value for flagship features. On the con side, the price is high for casual users. No built-in screen on the standard remote, so phone dependent. The app can be feature-heavy for beginners, and wind resistance has limits in extreme conditions. A few mention the zoom is optical only up to 7 times, but overall, the pros dominate for serious creators. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro if you need pro-level video and safety, and the pros like 4K footage, zoom, and smart modes make sense for your projects. It's perfect for photographers, filmmakers, or explorers. Before we wrap, if these reviews get you soaring, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who loves drones, or subscribe for more. See you next time.